Good morning. Today we are going to discuss a program uh, to accept input of 5 numbers and display the values in reverse order. Say if we have entered 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, what will be the output? We will display it in the reverse order, that is 4, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So this is the program we are going to discuss today. Okay. So for the purpose we have taken an array M and its size is 5. So it will reserve memory for 5 elements starting from M0, then M1, M2, M3 and M4. Okay. So you are already aware of all these things. So have a quick look on how you can take input. So this is the message you will display. Enter 5 numbers. Now we are using for loop. For loop starts with I is equal to 0. You are already aware because this M we are starting with M0 and it will go up to 4. So condition is I is less than 5, that is 4. And I plus plus, that is we will move from 0 then 1 then 2. So we have to increase the value once at a time. And to accept input we are writing scanf. Here percentage %d because it's an integer, and don't forget to write ampersand because it's an address of operator which stores the value at the given address. And this is mi, this is the key thing, don't forget to write I here. This will change the value from 0 to 4 and it will store values one by one at M0, M1, M2, M3 and M4. So let's now discuss the key thing, that is how we are displaying the values in reverse order. So last value stores is at 4th subscript. Its last value is M4. Is stored at M4. So we are starting the loop from I is equal to 4. So we have initialized I with 4. Okay. Now what you can do, you can write the condition where I is greater than equal to 0. Okay, if you forget to write equal to, what will happen? It will display 4, 3, 2 and 1. It will miss out first element, that is 0. Okay, so just write place equal to symbol here so that it will include value stored at 0. Now as we are going from 4 up to 0, so we need to decrease the value of I, so we are writing I minus minus. Okay, so simply display the value using printf. I have given one space here so that after each displaying each value it will give one space. Okay, and here you are writing mi, I will value of I will change, that is first value will be when you will enter the loop, first value is 4, so it will display you value stored at M4. Now I is decreased, I minus minus, condition is tested, now I is 3, so it will display you value stored at M3. Then M2 followed by M1 and last value will be M0. Once the value is 0, now it will go and decrease it, so it will become -1. So now condition is false as I is less, neither greater than nor equal to 0 because it's -1. So you are outside the loop, it will take you to the destination. Let's execute the program and check the output. See here it is asking you to enter 5 numbers. Say we are entering 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Just print enter that. You can see you are getting the values 10, 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. So it is displaying you value in reverse order. So if I ask you to just take input of 10 or 15 marks, say 2 or whatever value you want, if you want to change, just make changes here, make changes here and here. That is this point. Sorry. When I'm writing 10, so last value will be stored at 9. Okay, so where we have made changes, we change the declaration of an array, we increase the number of elements, we are running loop up to I is less than 10, that is up to 9, 0 to 9, and when you are displaying in the reverse order, it will be initial I will be initialized with the last element, the last subscript, that is I 9. 9 is the last subscript. So these are the changes you can make. Just compile and execute. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 and 10. Just see, you're getting values in reverse order. So thanks for watching.